Hello students, today we are going to study EVS 2 Chapter 4 Evolution. 4.1 The concept of evolution. The word evolution is generally understood to mean gradual and continuous change. Evolution in the plant and animal world can be explained in following manner. In the process of survival by adapting to environmental changes, certain internal physical changes occur in some animal of a species. Over a period of time, these internal changes become inherited characteristics seen in all the following generations. Thus, a new species with characteristics different from the original may be created. Such a species is usually more evolved than the original one. Sometimes the original species die out or becomes extinct. Extinct means any species having no living members. Sometimes more than one species evolve from the original one. The first scientist to give us systematic explanation of the concept of evolution was Charles Darwin. Species which are capable of adapting to environmental changes are able to survive. Capable means having the ability, and adapting means to adjust to new conditions. The one that cannot do so became extinct in the process of evolution. In ancient time, there were many species of this type of animals called dinosaurs. Dinos in Greek means terrible. Saurus means lizard or reptile. Dinosaur means a terrible lizard. Some of these dinosaurs were enormous in size. Enormous means very large in size. It appears that this species of enormous dinosaurs suddenly became extinct. Some sudden natural disaster or environmental change is believed to be responsible for their extinction. Fossils of dinosaurs with wings have been discovered. It is believed that some species of two-legged and winged dinosaurs evolved into birds. 4.2 The stages of evolution of animal. We have learned in the previous lesson that life on earth began with unicellular organism known as protozoa. This unicellular organism gave rise to multicellular living thing. The multicellular organism evolved gradually and various classes of plants and animals came into being. The following are the stages of evolution of animals. 1. Invertebrates. Animals without a backbone are called invertebrates. For example, snail. 2. Vertebrate. Animals which have backbone are called vertebrate. Look at the ones given. Example, fish. Amphibians, animals which live in water and also on land. For example, a frog. Bird. Reptiles, animal which crawl. For example, a snake. Mammals. Mammals are the most evolved animals among the vertebrates. For example, a cow. The following are the characteristics of most of the mammals. First, growth of the baby in mother's womb for some time before birth. Second, the baby is fed on mother's milk for some time after birth. The platypus and some species of anteaters are exception to this. They are considered mammals because even though they lay eggs, they suckle their young ones. 4.3 Apes. Apes are somewhat like humans in appearance. They mostly lived on trees. Those species of apes which continued to live on trees retained their original ape-like form. Retain means continue to have something. However, in grassland, some ape species were found to move around on the ground. This species evolved gradually in time, gave rise to human species. This happened first on African continent. The first human species is called primitive man. Primitive means the first. In the next lesson, we shall learn more about the evolution of human species. Thank you, students. I hope you all have understood this lesson.